Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to change your Instagram username on your Android phone. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. The first step is to open the Instagram app on your Android phone. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Enter profile present at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're in the app, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right of your screen. It looks like a small person icon. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. When you're on your profile, tap on the Edit Profile button located just below your profile picture. Step 4. Select the username option. On the profile editing screen, scroll down until you see the username option. Tap on it to start editing your username. Step 5. Enter the new username on the next page. Now you can enter your new username on the next page. You can use letters, numbers, periods, and underscores in your username. Once you're done, tap on Done to save your changes. Step 6. To confirm the new name, select the check mark at the top right of the screen. Finally, to confirm your new username, tap on the check mark icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will save your changes and update your Instagram profile with your new username. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram username on your Android phone. It's a quick and easy process that only takes a few simple steps. So go ahead and update your username now to make it more memorable and easier to find. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on your favorite apps and services.